Best Instant Pots of 2024 Instant Pot Comparison Chart. The question is not if you need one, but which one exactly for you in this video. Finding the best Instant Pot model to add to your artillery of kitchen appliances, the Instant Pot that really fits your unique cooking needs, is a more involved task than it may seem. Though every Instant Pot has the same basic multi-cooking functionality that made the brand a household name, some are more versatile than others. Most of the models are very similar in terms of pot size, wattage, and voltage. Where they differ is mostly in the software. How many smart cooking settings are built in along with preset heat, time, and pressure levels. Ahead, we'll take a close look at all of the Instant Pot models and break down their built-in smart programs, cooking functions, ease of use, and more. The Instant Pot has evolved from a single pressure cooker to a range of multifunctional models in different sizes. We tested 13 of them and evaluated each on design, ease of use, performance, ease of cleaning, versatility, and value in this video. Number 1. Best Overall, Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart Multi-Use Pressure Cooker. We were so in love with this that it was hard to find anything we didn't like about it. The clear, intuitive controls allow you to choose between pressure cooking, slow cooking, making rice, making yogurt, steaming, sautéing, sterilizing, sous vide, and keeping food warm. The manual setting gives precise control over the cooking process, and the 25 customizable settings include ribs, soup, beans, poultry, desserts. You can make cake and other baked goods in this, and more. The display clearly shows where your food is in the cooking process. The stainless steel pot is designed to disperse heat more evenly than older models, and it locks in place to avoid spinning while sautéing. The meat cooked in this model came out perfectly tender, the beans were just right, and the meat and veggies browned evenly without burning. It's dishwasher safe and very easy to clean. This model comes in 6-quart and 8-quart sizes. Though this is a bit on the expensive side, we feel like it warrants the price tag. Performance, functionality, and ease of use are all at a superior level, so this is an investment well worth making. An Instant Pot should be a one-stop shopping kitchen tool in my view, and this fits the bill nicely. The best overall pick, Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart Multi-Use Pressure Cooker, was immediately our favorite. Conquering our cooking tests with ease and precision, this model is functional and affordable. Our experts were impressed by how many purposes it serves, and how easy it was to use and clean it. We recommend it to anyone looking to jump into the Instant Pot game. Number 2. Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo. The 8-quart Instant Pot Pro Crisp Plus Air Fryer is the Duo Crisp turned up to 11. This large Pro model has all the same functionality of the Duo Crisp, plus an upgraded lid with advanced heat protection, auto sealing, and gentle quick release. The sturdier stainless steel inner pot is made to handle anything. It's stovetop friendly and oven safe up to 450 of. It also comes with a handful of accessories, including a versatile stainless steel rack, a multi-level air fryer basket with a tray for broiling and dehydrating, and a protective pad and storage cover. Air frying is an incredibly versatile cooking method in and of itself, so when you combine that with pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, sous vide cooking, warming, baking, broiling, and dehydrating, you have the most capable kitchen tool out of all 13 Instant Pot models we tested. Having all of this versatility saves space, money, and electricity, which is amazing for home cooks of all levels. The display is clear, concise, and easy to read, with a time bar that shows where your food is in the cooking process. The inner pot has handles to lock it in place while sautéing. There are 3 types of steam release, which can be set ahead of time, and there's a quick cool freeze tray to help release pressure more quickly. The air fry settings are customizable up to 450 degrees, making this also a truly functional air fryer. We found that the machine performed beautifully and was easy to clean whether by hand or on the top rack of the dishwasher. This appliance isn't cheap, but it's much cheaper than buying several appliances to do even half the jobs this can do. Number 3. Best for small spaces, Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart Pressure Cooker. Only some people have the counter space for a 10-quart cooker, even if it serves multiple functions. Whether your kitchen is already full of essential gadgets, you're squeezing into your first apartment, or you are buying exclusively for a purpose like making yogurt, a small Instant Pot can be your best friend. The Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart multi-use pressure cooker, V5 maintains all of the multipurpose features of larger Instant Pot models in a smaller package. The twist lock lid and lid handle design were possibly more functional than some of the newer, larger models. In addition, it did the best of the pots with searing to the point caramelization in our pork tests. All in all, we recommend it as a hard-working, space-saving kitchen tool. This is a mini version of our budget pick, and it comes with all the same features. Typically, mini and budget-friendly appliances come with fewer features, less functionality, and compromised performance. This is not the case here. The display is still user-friendly and straightforward, the same safety features are present as with the larger versions, and it performed incredibly well in each of the tests we put it through. This model was by far the best with adding color to the vegetables in the beans and rice test. The beans were really nicely cooked without being overdone. This Instant Pot was also the best in terms of searing the pork with that deep caramelization. The pork had a springiness to it as well. Like the 6 and 8-quart versions of this cooker, this mini model also lacks a sous vide function and doesn't have a locking feature to keep the inner pot from spinning while sautéing. That said, it's still a powerhouse of versatility and functionality in a space-efficient package, and is easy to clean with or without a dishwasher. We would absolutely recommend this and buy one for ourselves. You get the Instant Pot versatility and extra counter space. Number 4. Best Smart Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 6-quart pressure cooker. What we liked, this smart model has an illuminated touch screen, with a user-friendly interface that clearly displays the pot's status throughout the cooking process. There's no guesswork. We appreciate that the handles on the inner pot lock it into place while sautéing, and that steam release is automatic following the cooking cycle, making the Pro Plus Smart feel fuss-free and safe to use from start to finish. Our testers were impressed with the sear from this pot, too. What we didn't like, this model might come with a learning curve if you're new to Instant Pots, and we aren't convinced that using an Instant Pot app is better or more helpful than just manually controlling the multi-cooker. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid, 13-in-1 Air Fryer and Pressure Cooker Combo. Appliances can add bulk to your countertop, so you can save some of that precious real estate by combining an air fryer and an Instant Pot with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate. While it may be one of the most expensive models on offer, it's certainly the most functional. This 6.5-quart model works 13 different ways, as a pressure cooker, air fryer, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, dehydrator, yogurt maker, sous vide and bread proofer. Switching between the different cooking methods is seamless. Just pressure cook your ingredients, take out the lid's inner stainless steel cover to reveal the air frying unit, air fry your ingredients, and then enjoy. What's more, the appliance offers step-by-step cooking instructions on a large LCD display to eliminate guesswork. Cleaning is easy, too. We like that the protective inner cover keeps the air frying element clean and safe from splashes during pressure cooking, and the cooking pot, steaming/air frying rack and pressure cooking cover are all dishwasher safe. If you're in the market for an appliance with many functions, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid could be a good choice. We found the control panel incredibly easy to navigate, especially for someone new to pressure cookers, and the material is durable and easy to clean. This model is heavy and has a large footprint, but if you're using it to replace several appliances, you might be leaving it out on your kitchen countertop. If you're primarily interested in the air fryer setting, we would recommend checking out our best air fryer guide to ensure you get an appliance that can give you crispy, golden and juicy foods every time. And if you want a smaller and lower-cost Instant Pot with fewer functions, our best Instant Pot guide is a great resource as well. However, we do think the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid performs well with all of the functions and features that it offers.